Right, here we have a chlorine maker. So what you do is you add salt. You can see the NaCl there. Just add normal table salt. We have some here. With some distilled water. We have some here. So all you do is there's a little mark on there, says 300 milliliters. So add one funnel. Add in the water. Until you get up to your 300 milliliters. You add your salt. It comes with quite a large scoop for the salt, but that's okay. We're going to be breaking down the sodium chloride to make the chlorine. So I'm going to end up spilling some of this, but that's okay. That's okay. It's on a table that'll get wiped down. So there we go. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my fingers around that so that we can get it in, because it is quite narrow. And there we go. You can see it's starting to get cloudy. So just going to put the top on. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a shake, just to mix the salt in properly. Now, here's the thing, it's a chemical reaction. So you're going to get hydrogen as a byproduct. So I'm just going to take that off so that it's nice and loose. Now, under here is a little cover to keep the USB port nice and dry. Just take a little bit of opening. Give me one moment. We don't need that. We don't need that. So there we go. That's got it open. Now it came with a nice good length of cable, and there's about 3 foot. It's about 1 meter there, so we're just going to plug that in. We are going to take your normal 5-volt supply, it's just a phone charger, and we're going to plug that in, at which point you see it's flashing. Now around this side there's a little button, and if we press that, it does nothing. Let me just check that. Of course it's working, it lit up. Blue light still on there, and right, so what we have here is a very expensive flashing LED. Right, just going to take another battery pack. So we've got one here. It has there we go. We can see it's plenty of charge there, and I'm just going to plug it into there. Once again it lights up, and I'll just keep that in shot. Here we go. Okay, this is... So we can see that that's in properly. Of course it is, because it lights up. And nothing. It appears as though we have a faulty bottle. I think I'll be contacting the seller. We can see that that is plugged in. Of course it's plugged in because it's lighting up. Right. Nothing. We have one faulty bottle.